You'll be happy if you buy stuff, especially around the holidays. That's the messaging out there. But in here, it isn't stuff we need, it's connection. We humans are hardwired with a deep yearning for connection. We all want to be fully seen, heard, and understood by another human being. It brings us joy, wonder, and the support we need to thrive. Nothing you can buy can create real connection. But how do you create it? For most of us growing up, connecting was in some ways unsafe and painful. And so we're clueless, running around trying to connect unconsciously, unskillfully, simply because we were never taught how to talk and listen in a way that creates safe and meaningful connection with others. So remember that the gift everyone wants isn't a present, it's presence, real connection. If you struggle to connect with someone you love, I can help. I'm Rev Doc Lisa, Integral Healer, and I'm with you on the journey.